Hello everyone, welcome to Formigo Distribution Private Limited. Today, we are going to introduce the new energy saving sensors, HC 3 to 5 infrared night lamp, HC7D 180-degree motion sensor, HC7CN manual and automatic switch, HC7B 360-degree PIR, HC29 360-degree microwave sensor, HCS61 infrared sensor LED lamp, HC 3 to 5. When the ambient light is less than 20 lux, it can be on when one comes and be off automatically after one leaves. Its performance is stable. It can be used as night lamp and emergency flashlight. HC7D. This sensor can detect the infrared rays released by human body motion within the detection area, then start the load light automatically. HC7D has a longer detection range of 12 meters and wide-angle coverage of 180 degree. HC7CN. HC7CN sensor switch can detect the infrared rays released by human body motion within the detection range of the sensor and then start the load light automatically. With this switch, light load can be operated manually, as well as automatically as per your requirement. Some customers wants to make the lamp always on or off that can be achieved by this smart switch. The HC7CN is better for indoor use. HC7B. HC7B is a very high-quality PIR motion sensor which adopts good sensitivity and integrated circuit. It gathers automatism, convenience, safety, saving energy, and practical functions. It utilizes the infrared energy from human as control signal source, and it can start the load at once when one enters detection field. HC29. This sensor is a new energy-saving product. It adopts microwave sensor mold with high-frequency electromagnetic wave 5.8 GHz and integrated circuit. The wide detection field depends on detectors. It works by receiving human motion. When one enters the detection field, it can start the load at once and identify automatically day and night. Its installation is very convenient and its using is very wide. Detection is possible to go through doors, panel of glass, or thin walls. HC61. The HC61 can adjust working state in different ambient light. It can work in the daytime and at night. It can work in the ambient light less than 3 lux when it is adjusted on the minimum position. When it receives the second induction signals within the first induction, it will restart to time from the moment. The detection distance of low sensitivity could be only 5 meters and high sensitivity could be 10 meters, which fits for a large room. Thank you for watching. For more queries, contact us. Our experts will assist you.